Okay, so I figured out how to put this in. Basically, you start with it sideways and then pull it down at an angle and then pull it in. So that's like, I don't have it fully seated yet, but that's how you start it. You pull it so it's close, pull that up, and then give it a little press. And then where you're going to go is you need something to hammer against. So that was the trick. You slot it in there, and then get a pair of pliers or Leatherman, and then just press it in, and then you've got a nice new spring. It's still not 100% bent in the perfect way. It's pretty good down. And it works. Leave a little oil, and then it'll be good as new. Beautiful.